Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to calculate the difference between two dates, in years. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. And don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Here, we have an employee service record for all our employees. We want to be able to calculate the number of years each employee has been with the company, based on the date they were hired, and the current date. To do this, we are going to use two Excel functions. These are, the today function, that gives us the current date, and the DATEDIF function that will give us the difference in years between the two dates. We have already put in the today function, in column D, so the current date will always show today's date. To start, click on the first cell that you want the total years to show in. In the formula bar, type in an equal sign, the words DATEDIF, followed by an open parentheses. Type in C10 for the cell containing the hire-in date, a comma, followed by D10 for the cell containing today's date, another comma, a quotation mark, the letter Y, followed by another quotation mark, and a closed parentheses. I have provided the DATEDIF formula in the video description below, along with a downloadable PDF file of this tutorial. Hit Enter, and Excel will automatically calculate the total number of years between the two dates. To populate the remaining cells with the DATEDIF formula, click on the cell containing the formula. Place your cursor over the bottom right corner of the cell, until you see a black plus sign. Right-click, and while holding the right mouse button down, drag the cell down and release. Excel will populate the cells with the DATEDIF formula. That's it for today's how-to video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.